Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today doing a review on the Volvo I-Shift transmission on this 2012 Volvo with 16-foot Ridgelane dump body from Haul Lane Manufacturing. It's definitely a nice dump body here. That's one of their lower cost ones. It's going to basically just drive the transmission, take it out for a spin here, and see what it can do 0 to 40. We did that on the Allison, a bunch of the Ultra Shifts, 10 speed, 13 speed, 18 speed. All those videos are there on our website as well. So here's a controller for this, just right next to the seat. A little different than any of the other ones. You got your push button shifter here, plus and minus when it's in manual mode. Otherwise, hit this little locking button here, kind of like a trigger. Drive, pushing the brakes there, and we're going here. So I'm sure, similar to the Eaton Fuller shift, there is different modes you can put in this transmission. I've had several customers request this transmission. I guess they've had really good luck. I know it's pretty popular. Not a whole lot of them for sale. It's a 12-speed transmission, and it is made by Volvo, and they actually recommend it for dump trucks, all kinds of vocational applications, as well as cement mixers, all that stuff. So it's going to go ahead and come to a complete stop here. Okay, right now we got the transmission in third gear, and I'm putting the pedal to the floor. Well, it's skipping right through the gears, 8, 10, and there's 40. I'll have to go back and look at the video and see what that was, but it seemed like about 16, 17 seconds, something like that. Yeah, slowing down, seems like it goes right into gear as well. So we'll take it out on the freeway here and see how it is at freeway speeds. But so far it seems like shifting pretty nice. I mean, just about as nice as an Ultra Shift, I'd say. But again, we're unloaded here. I'm just cruising around, but this thing, you know, feels like it has some decent power. This has the D13 in it with 35 horsepower. Compared to the Ultra Shift transmission, it seems that these Volvo I-Shifts have less problems, but you're also dealing with less mechanics that work on them, and oftentimes people take them to the Volvo dealer and pay very high prices to get these repaired, where the Eaton Fuller transmission, even though it seems like there's a little more problems, a little more bugs, especially with the pre-Ultra Shift Plus models, those can be serviced at most mechanics, and the internals are basically a regular Eaton Fuller transmission, 10 speed to 13 speed and 18 speed. This particular I-Shift is a 2012, where now in the 2018 and 19 ones they have new software, new hardware available as well, and then they have a couple other versions of the I-Shift that are they have a 13 speed and a 14 speed with some extra low reduction gears, all the way down to a 48 to 1 reduction ratio in that transmission, which is crazy low. That's like cruising along at, you know, half mile per hour. And the strongest models of the I-Shift can handle up to 2,300 pounds of torque. So here we are in the freeway. Just doing about 55 at 1,200 RPMs. So not too bad at all. Looks like you definitely get up to 80 miles an hour or so with this transmission. So yeah, I don't know what the little dollar signs are there. A plus dollar. Some kind of economy mode. Alright, well, we'll see how it downshifts here. A little over 55. Went ahead and put it to the floor. Oh, not too bad at all. Let off the gas now. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website for more videos and give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you.